In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your font size on Khan Academy app. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to open up Khan Academy and you can see my font size is currently set to this. So in order to make it larger and a bit easier to read, what we need to do is head back and then we need to click into our settings app. And now once you're inside settings, you want to scroll down and click into display. Once you're in display, again scroll down and look for font size and style, and right at the bottom of where it says font size and style, it's going to say font size and a slider right under that. So if we go ahead and move this slider to the right, it's going to increase your font size and make it easier to read. So you just have a play around this slider, moving it left, it's going to make it smaller. So choose which one best suits your eyes. From here we're going to go back and click into Khan Academy, and as you can see, the font size is a lot larger and easier to read.